Hello, writing students. This is Noah and Miles, their roommates at URI. Noah and Miles are having trouble with their research for their college papers. Noah wants to know more about how people are responding to the death of George Floyd. He's looking for scholarly articles by using riots and George Floyd as his keywords. Miles, on the other hand, needs scholarly articles on the benefits of English language learner education. Noah and Miles are getting a lot of search results, but the results don't meet their needs. Noah is finding a lot of popular sources using charged and biased language. The sources in Miles' search seem unrelated to each other, so he's unsure how to make a paper out of them. He's also seeing gaps in the research. However, they have an idea. They can go to the library for help. At the library, a librarian helps Noah and Miles identify the problems with their searches. As Noah and Miles leave the library, they brainstorm how to remember the librarian's suggestions when doing research in the future. Miles has an idea. They can write down the suggestions and post them in their dorm room. Noah writes, "Avoid charged language." Instead of riots, he should try searching for protests. Miles writes, "Be specific and precise." He should have researched specific benefits like retention or fluency. Miles also wants to remember to brainstorm synonyms. English language learners are also called English learners. Using both terms might help him eliminate some of the gaps he noticed. Noah and Miles also identify a few general research tips. First, scholarly articles take time to publish, so don't pick a really recent event if you need scholarly sources. Second, use search terms that replicate the language you expect to see in sources. Finally, as the librarian stressed, look beyond the first page of search results when researching. And, when in doubt, ask a URI librarian for help. This fall, you can contact a URI librarian by emailing urilibrarian@gmail.com, or you can reach a URI librarian via live chat by going to the library homepage, Help and Guides, Live Chat. Thank you. We look forward to helping you with your research.